Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import fonts in IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is open up the IbisPaint X application, and then from here we need to click onto my gallery and then just choose any image you'd like to edit. If you don't have any images here, just go ahead and click on the plus icon and then click import picture to import a picture, and then choose that picture, and then we want to click on edit at the bottom of the page here. Now in order to import a font, we need to add some font on screen, so click on the brush icon, then click the text button and click text, and then click anywhere on the page to add text. So I'm just going to type in test. Doesn't matter what you type in here, but basically we've got to open up this text box, then click on where it says font, click on font. Then we got all these different fonts here we can choose from, but to import a font, go ahead and click on the plus icon, top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, Google search should open up and it says free fonts. Just go ahead and find that font you want to install from your favorite website. So for demonstration, I'm going to use a Dove font. I'm going to click into here, and now once I'm here, I can have a look at all the different fonts they've got. And if I want to add in this one here called Balata City, I'm going to click on download. As you can see, it's downloading at the bottom of the page, and once it's finished download, you'll be able to use that font back inside IbisPaint X. So you can see here, I'm back here and it says web fonts, like so.